all of the New Testament in its final form was written in the 2nd century. There was nothing, absolutely nothing, not a single book of the New Testament that existed in our present form from the 1st century. Perhaps some sources existed, such as something like Q, or maybe an early version of Mark, early version of Revelation. Perhaps something existed in the 1st century. However, it was definitely modified in the 2nd century. Okay, so I think it's pretty much undeniable when you study this stuff a lot. And in fact, the first New Testament has a specific date of production, which is around 140 AD. 144 AD is the specific date when Marcion produced the 10 fake letters of Paul in a version of a gospel. Okay, and from that point on, the New Testament expands. Okay, because the proto-Orthodox group wants to incorporate not only Marcionite views but some other views. So the New Testament is the result of the compromise between Marcionite views and so-called proto-Orthodox views, and that's how we have the New Testament. So our present New Testament is actually post 144 AD. That's how late it is. Again, I'm not saying that something did not exist before that, but it did not exist in our present form. That's what I'm trying to say.